talk to us. What are you doing?
Robotics and automation. So basically what we're doing is using robots to make soup, sauces, and other products. And we're doing that highly efficiently. And we're basically reaching new levels of quality in terms of the finished product, flavours, colours and textures. So this is all part of a government-funded, part-funded project. So the Department of Energy and Net Zero and Carbon Trust have a project that we're leading, which is a £2 million project, part-funded by the government, with Marks and Spencer's and Selena, where we're looking at radically transforming the carbon footprint of soups and sauces by making it much more energy efficient.
Wow, okay, so I mean there's so much to unpack, excuse the pun there, within this. So actually what you're doing, it's so revolutionary. It's really with the times, because I mean this is such a hot topic at the moment, trying to reduce our carbon, or trying to get to net zero obviously within a couple of decades. So this is actually, within the industry, a real step forward. How exciting.
Absolutely, and it's amazing if you're running a plant, actually when you start to look at these numbers, obviously when you had the Ukraine crisis, energy prices went up a lot, people got more concentrated on it, and you can actually start to see there's huge amounts of waste potentially in the cooking processes and specifically cleaning processes. Now it might not mean, I'm going to put some numbers out there, if you're listening then these might make sense to you. So a typical cook, you should be able to make 1 tonne of product with about 450, 500 kilowatt hours of energy to do that. But we're going into plants and you're seeing this with sort of 1,000, 1,200 kilowatt hours per tonne. So that's a lot of energy that's being wasted. Now with the robotic systems, what we're doing is we're trying to move that towards net zero. So the initial target is sub 250 kilowatt hours, and then we keep moving it forward to get 200 and less and less and less until you can have carbon-free soup.
This is really exciting, and what I can see you've got one of your colleagues setting up over in the corner already, getting ready to show everyone here at PPMA. What are some of the machinery and the technologies that you're showcasing?
So the other parts of our business, we're doing automation. We've got lots of expertise from the robotics side of using advanced vision systems with AI, and we are often deploying that within our existing customer base to do identification and verification of products. So that's making sure a product's got the right country of origin on. So has my pack of peaches are they from Spain, and does it say Spain on the pack? And verifying that all that information is correct. So from a production point of view, you've got 100% peace of mind that everything you send out the door has got the right information, so it's right date code, right product, right packaging on it.
It's brilliant because it's these small details that actually really are important to the consumer. So actually you can bring that to them. It must be really quite satisfying for you as a company to be able to do that.
I think all the people who work in like the processing packaging area are probably geeks at heart, and they love to go around the supermarket. I know that's what quite a lot of our people do, and I'm very guilty of it. If you go into a place and you see that product recall sign, you go, oh, I wonder what's happened there. And it's useful trying to make it better, fix it, and keep improving it.
Amazing. And you're here for the next 3 days. What are you looking forward to over PPMA most?
Well, we're really looking forward to engaging with the UK manufacturing base. So we've done a lot of shows overseas. So we've been out in Germany and France exhibiting. And actually, a lot of these robotic systems, they're all in Europe. So what we want to do is be able to get those first ones into the UK to improve the productivity and energy efficiency in our home country.
Amazing. Well, I cannot wait to see what you guys get up to. This is absolutely amazing. Jake, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you, Louise. Cheers.